Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami unicorn. This is a model I created myself. I combine the details I like the most from other models. I just adjust everything to make it easier, simpler and prettier. Also, at the end there is an optional detail that allows the unicorn's horn to change color. So, if you got some origami experience and if you like trying something a bit more advanced, stick around to the end. The only material needed is a square piece of paper. In this video, I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters, or about 8 by 8 inches. The first step is to fold the paper in half along both diagonals to make an X. So just bring one corner to the opposite one, crease it well, then unfold it, and repeat the same with the opposite diagonal. Once that's done, rotate the paper to this position and fold the top right diagonal edge to the middle. You can fold it all the way, but it's not necessary. You can just crease the paper from this existing line here. Do the same with the bottom side. Then, using the creases we made, we close the paper. Now we have this new flap. Let's bring it up just to reinforce. And then fold it down. Let's repeat the same steps on the left side. Now we move on to the bottom part and fold the right side to the middle. Then fold the left side to the middle as well. Now let's go to the top part. Fold this corner at the top. Now on the same layer, we're going to make these two diagonals. To do this, we'll use the folds underneath as a guide. Let's start on the right side. Just fold carefully, aligning with the existing edge. Then do the same on the left side. Now, just like we did before, we're going to close this corner and to make the next step easier, let's hold the paper in this position and using the existing crease, close the largest section down. Still in the same position, unfold the first layer and here in the center we have this triangular flap. In the same flap, we're going to fold this top edge to the vertical line on the side. Now we are going to fold this diagonal edge to the same vertical line. Now unfold this whole section, this whole flap. And using the lines we made, let's close the corner the same way we did before. Bring this new flap down and reinforce all the creases. Now let's go to the other side. Unfold this layer as well. Fold this triangular flap as before. Unfold. And using those creases, close the corner. And bring it down. Once that's done, open the paper from the bottom side and fold both sides to the middle using these two existing creases. Close the paper like before. And this is the result. Reinforce everything we've done so far. Now we are going to create a crease on the right side using this diagonal edge as a reference. Do the same on the other side. And here, pay close attention. We are going to bring this part over the middle section. We have the beginning of the hind legs. For the next step, go to the bottom part, the inside, and open the paper. We are going to fold the first layer of this corner. Then unfold it. Open the center area a bit. Fold the layer again. And then fold the extra paper down, creating a small diagonal that reaches about halfway across the unicorn's belly. Something like this. Try to make the other side look the same. Then close the paper like before. This is the result. To finish the hind legs section, fold this extra paper inside. So just create a fold following the existing edge. Then do the same on the other side. And now fold the paper inside. To make the neck, fold this longer section back. And then fold it up, creating this diagonal. Unfold this part. Open this longer section. Fold along this first line we made. And then fold again, closing the paper on these two diagonals here. Now we have the neck. To make the tail, fold this other flap in half. Then fold it back up, creating this diagonal crease. Unfold this part. Just to make it easier, we can reinforce this line we made on the front. And finally, just fold the paper down inside itself, following the creases we made. Now let's fold the head. I think looks better when the neck's the same height as the legs. So I'll fold it right here. unfold, and using this reference, we just reverse this part. Now let's reverse again by folding the paper down. Then fold the paper up again. And then fold it forward, creating the horn. We can still add some details, the tail. I'm just going to open the paper a bit and flatten it forward. I also think it looks nice to curve the tip of the tail a bit. We can also fold these corners here. If you used a two-color paper like me, you now have the option to make the horn a different color. To do that, you just need to unfold this section, unfold the layers that we have here at the end, then fold the extra paper back, and finally just remake the horn folds like they were before. To improve the finish even more, we can fold these corners here, and also twist the horn, creating a kind of a spiral. And with that, our origami unicorn is ready! If you managed to make it, congratulations! Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video!